Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how rockets get into orbit and how we place satellites up there. Well, let's get started. When a rocket launches, it blasts straight up to escape Earth's thick atmosphere. But just going straight up isn't enough to stay in orbit. To stay in orbit, the rocket has to travel sideways really fast, about 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour. That's called orbital velocity. At this speed, the rocket is actually falling around it, not down to it. It's like throwing a ball so fast. It keeps circling the planet instead of hitting the ground. This is what keeps satellites floating above us. Rockets reach this speed by using multiple stages. Each stage has its own engines and fuels. When a stage runs out of fuel, it drops away to make the rocket lighter and more efficient. This process lets the rocket keep accelerating until it reaches orbit. Once the rocket reaches orbit, the satellite separates from the final stage of the rocket. Some satellites have small onboard engines to adjust their position, a process called orbit insertion. Others rely on the rocket to place them precisely into their orbit. Satellites can orbit Earth in different paths depending on their missions. Some circle over the equator like many communication satellites. Others fly over the poles. These are called polar orbits, often used for weather or Earth observation satellites. Once in their assigned orbit, satellites start their work, whether it's helping with GPS navigation, sending weather updates, broadcasting TV signals, or monitoring climate change. So that's how rockets launch, speed up sideways to reach orbit, and carefully place satellites that help us every day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this space journey, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what space topics you want to learn about next. Have a good day. See you next Saturday. Take care.